welcome back to my kitchen. So for today's video, we are going to cook the famous Filipino dish, Pancit Bihon. So here are the ingredients. For our Pancit Bihon. If you want to use this recipe, you can just screenshot to do. Boil the water, put the chicken in, use black pepper, salt, gonna cover it and wait till it's cooked. So while the chicken is cooking, we are now prepping all our ingredients, guys. So we're gonna wash them and cut them into their according cut and desired length. Let's go. Cabbage is too big, so we are not going to use it all, just half. Chicken is done. It's time to cut it. And the broth, let's save it for later. Alright guys, all our ingredients are already prepped, done. So it's time to cook our Pancit Bihon. Cooking time, guys. So first, heat the pan, put the oil, and we are going to wait for the oil to get heated before we saute the onion and the garlic. Put the onion first. When the onion is already look like translucent, next is the garlic. Garlic and onion is already ready. Next is the chicken. Right, next guys is our carrots. So we're gonna just put a little bit of broth. Oh wow! Video is not on when I put all the snappies over here, but here we go. After cooking the carrots for like 2 to 3 minutes, next is the snappies, and we are going to wait for another 2 minutes for this one before we put the carrots in, or the cabbage in. We are now going to season it. We're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of salt. We're gonna adjust it later. Is black pepper. Alright, and mix it up. Wow. Smells good. Alright, next is our cabbage. And once the cabbage is done, we are going to taste it again. And if it's not yet ready according to our taste, we can put additional soy sauce and salt for later. I am going to put half of this one, chicken broth. Just half of that one. Alright guys, it's time to change. It's done. Let's taste it. I haven't used this one before. Grab everything and adjust the taste if it's not yet ready according to your taste. So we are not going to overcook all this one because we want it crispy, crunchy. The vegetables crispy and crunchy. So let's taste it. Mm. Maybe we are going to put everything, a little bit of everything. Salt, soy sauce, and a little bit of salt. Right there. And mix it up. Vegetables is just cooked perfectly. Crispy and crunchy. I love it. It is so good. So now, time to taste it again. Chicken, the green, carrots. Mmm. 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 Now it's perfect. Yummy. It's done, guys, and we are going to set this aside. In the same pan, we are going to boil the chicken stock. This is the one we use for the chicken, and we are going to put some black pepper, kosher salt, and soy sauce again. Boil this first. You see, I think this one is gonna be too much if we are going to put all of this, so maybe just half of this one. Our broth is boiling, guys. Look. So now we're not gonna put all this because it's gonna be too much. It's not as easy. It's after 1 hour or 1 eternity later, I finally cut the noodles. It's so hard. So we're just gonna cook this for 5 to 8 minutes. Our noodles is ready. We are going to put a little bit of this one. We're not going to put everything because we're gonna use it for toppings later on. Look at that. Right, let's taste it. This one is ready, so we're gonna turn it off. Try it. Mmm. Mmm. Perfect. Yum. Wow, this is so good. It's been a long time since I cooked this. Yeah, I don't cook this very often. Oh, wow. Yum. Okay, let's go. Our bihon pancit. Bihon pancit is ready. Transfer it in the pan. Next is, look at that. Toppings. Oh, there's a lot of toppings there. Right, guys, look at that. Wow. Alright. Lemon. We're gonna have a little bit of this one. We're gonna crush it like that. And the moment of truth. Let's taste it. Mmm. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm.